Have you ever wondered about the marvel of engineering that is the human heart, and how its structure enables it to perform its vital function? Let's delve into this fascinating journey of understanding the structure and function of each chamber of the heart. Firstly, situated on the right side of the heart, we find the right atrium. This chamber has a thin wall and is responsible for receiving oxygen-free or impure blood. This blood arrives from both upper and lower parts of the body through vessels known as the superior and inferior vena cava. The high pressure in this chamber then pushes the blood into the next chamber, the right ventricle, through the tricuspid valve. Next, we have the right ventricle. This chamber, also located on the right side of the heart, receives the impure blood from the right atrium through the tricuspid valve. Its wall is slightly thicker than the right atrium's. From this chamber, the pulmonary trunk emerges, splitting into two parts to transport the impure blood to the right and left lungs. Now, let's move to the left atrium. Interestingly, this chamber is located not on the left side but towards the back of the heart, and its wall is as thin as the right atrium's. It is slightly smaller than the right atrium and receives pure blood from 4 pulmonary veins, 2 from the right lung and 2 from the left lung. Finally, we have the left ventricle, where the apex of the heart is located. This chamber is the largest of them all and is connected to the left atrium through the bicuspid valve. Its walls are thicker than those of the other chambers. The aorta emerges from this chamber, its branches supplying pure blood to the entire body. This chamber bears a greater blood load than the other chambers, pumping blood throughout the body under high pressure. In summary, the heart is a remarkable organ. Its 4 chambers, the right atrium, right ventricle, left atrium, and left ventricle work in a harmonious relay. They ensure the continuous flow of blood, carrying oxygen and nutrients to every cell of the body. Their structure and function, from the thin walls of the atria to the thicker walls of the ventricles, and from the valves that prevent backflow to the powerful left ventricle that pumps blood to the entire body, all contribute to this miracle of nature. This is the heart, the engine of life,